A short history of traffic lights. Welcome to this video on the history of traffic lights. Have you ever wondered how these essential devices came to be? Traffic lights are a vital part of our daily lives, helping to keep us safe and ensuring the smooth flow of vehicles and pedestrians. Let's take a journey through time and discover the fascinating story behind traffic lights. Early beginnings. The concept of controlling traffic isn't new. Long before cars were invented, people needed a way to manage the flow of horse-drawn carriages and pedestrians in busy cities. The first attempt at a traffic control device was in London, England, in 1868. A British railway engineer named J.P. Knight designed a gas-lit traffic signal placed outside the Houses of Parliament. This early traffic light had two arms that extended horizontally for stop and vertically for go. At night, it used red and green gas lamps to indicate stop and go, similar to today's lights. Unfortunately, this initial traffic light was not a success. The gas light exploded, causing injuries to the policemen operating it, and the experiment was abandoned. However, this early attempt paved the way for future innovations. The birth of electric traffic lights. Fast forward to the 20th century when the rise of automobiles created a new need for traffic control. The first electric traffic light was installed in Cleveland, Ohio, in 1914. This groundbreaking invention was designed by James Hoge. It used red and green lights and a buzzer to alert drivers when the light was about to change. These early electric traffic lights were manually operated by a policeman stationed at a nearby booth. Despite their simplicity, they were a major improvement over the chaotic, unregulated traffic that had been the norm. The first automated traffic light. As traffic increased, there was a growing need for more efficient traffic control. In 1920, William Potts, a Detroit police officer, developed the first four-way, three-color traffic light. This innovation added the yellow light to the existing red and green signals, creating the system we are familiar with today. The yellow light served as a warning that the signal was about to change, helping to prevent accidents. Potts's traffic light was an instant success and quickly spread to other cities. It marked a significant step forward in traffic management and safety. Traffic lights around the world. The adoption of traffic lights soon spread globally. In the 1920s, Paris installed its first traffic light, followed by Berlin and other major cities. Each country adapted the traffic light system to meet its specific needs. For example, in some places, traffic lights were designed to accommodate bicycles and pedestrians, while others developed special signals for trams and buses. Technological advancements. As technology advanced, so did traffic lights. The introduction of computer-controlled traffic lights in the 1950s and 60s revolutionized traffic management. These systems used sensors and timers to optimize the flow of traffic, reducing congestion and improving safety. In the 21st century, smart traffic lights have become increasingly common. These modern systems use artificial intelligence, cameras, and real-time data to adapt to changing traffic conditions. They can adjust the timing of lights based on the number of vehicles and pedestrians, making our roads more efficient and safer. Sustainability and energy efficiency. Today, traffic lights are also designed with sustainability in mind. Many cities have replaced traditional incandescent bulbs with energy-efficient LED lights. LED traffic lights consume less energy, have a longer lifespan, and are more visible in different weather conditions. This not only saves money, but also helps reduce carbon emissions. Traffic lights for pedestrians and cyclists. In recent years, there has been a growing focus on making traffic lights more inclusive for all road users. Pedestrian signals with countdown timers, audible signals for visually impaired individuals, and dedicated bike signals are just a few examples of how traffic lights have evolved to meet the needs of a diverse population. The role of traffic lights in urban planning. Traffic lights are not just about controlling traffic. They play a crucial role in urban planning. They help manage the flow of vehicles and pedestrians, reduce traffic jams, and enhance road safety. Urban planners use traffic lights strategically to improve the overall efficiency of transportation networks. By coordinating traffic lights, cities can reduce travel time, lower fuel consumption, and decrease air pollution. Traffic lights and emergency vehicles. Another important aspect of traffic lights is their interaction with emergency vehicles. Many modern traffic systems include preemption technology, which allows emergency vehicles to change traffic lights to green as they approach an intersection. This helps reduce response times and ensures the safety of both emergency responders and other road users. Cultural differences in traffic light design. Traffic lights can also reflect cultural differences. For instance, some countries use different shapes and symbols on their traffic lights. In Japan, the green light is often referred to as blue, and some older traffic lights actually use a bluish-green color. In parts of India, you might find traffic lights with a unique set of symbols to accommodate local customs and practices. The psychology of traffic lights. Traffic lights also have a psychological impact on drivers and pedestrians. The colors red, yellow, and green are universally recognized and evoke specific responses. Red signifies danger or stop, prompting immediate attention. Yellow suggests caution, preparing drivers to stop or proceed with care. Green indicates safety or go, giving the signal to move forward. Understanding these psychological cues helps in designing effective traffic management systems. The future of traffic lights. Looking ahead, the future of traffic lights is likely to be shaped by ongoing technological advancements. Autonomous vehicles, for example, may communicate directly with traffic lights, reducing the need for human drivers to interpret signals. Smart city initiatives are also exploring ways to integrate traffic lights with other infrastructure, creating a more connected and efficient urban environment. Advancements in vehicle-to-everything (V2X) communication technology are expected to revolutionize traffic management. Vehicles will be able to exchange information with traffic lights, other vehicles, and infrastructure, leading to smoother traffic flow and reduced congestion. This will not only enhance road safety, but also contribute to a more sustainable and efficient transportation system. Historical milestones in traffic light development. Let's take a closer look at some key milestones in the history of traffic lights. 1868. The first gaslit traffic signal was installed in London, designed by J.P. Knight. 1914. The first electric traffic light was introduced in Cleveland, Ohio by James Hoge. 1920. William Potts developed the first three-color traffic light in Detroit. 1950s-60s. The advent of computer-controlled traffic lights revolutionized traffic management. 2000s. The introduction of smart traffic lights utilizing AI and real-time data. Traffic lights in pop culture. Traffic lights have also made their mark in pop culture. They are often featured in movies, TV shows, and advertisements, symbolizing urban life and modernity. From dramatic car chases in action films to iconic scenes in romantic comedies, traffic lights play a role in setting the scene and adding authenticity to the portrayal of city life. Conclusion. Traffic lights have a rich history, from their early days in 19th century London to the smart systems we see today. They have played a vital role in making our roads safer and more efficient. As we look to the future, it's clear that traffic lights will continue to evolve, adapting to new technologies and the changing needs of our communities. We hope you enjoyed this video on the history of traffic lights. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about the everyday things that shape our world. Thank you for watching.